Hi guys, welcome to another episode of AJAWI TV, where we discuss architectural and construction related topics. I'm AJAWI, and for today I'll be updating you on some changes that I've been making in an effort to assist you guys, right? In particular, returning residents, so that you guys can come back home and settle in, reintegrate safely. All right. So you guys have been reaching out to me and saying that my website, you cannot find it, right? So you cannot find my website, and in addition, you guys have asked, where can you find reputable contractors, right? So I've been saying to you guys that, hey, my website is down. I'm working on the website at the moment, so you won't be able to find it. Well, as a result of that, guess what? My website is now up, right? I have revamped my website and I have gotten a few goodies for you guys, so that you guys will have one place where you can go to find the necessary information. All right. So in this video, I'm going to be introducing you to my website and how it can help you as a returning resident as it relates to construction. All right. So without any further ado, let's head into this video. Alright guys, at this point of the video, I want you to hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that you can be notified whenever I make videos just like this one. Alright, so the website, I actually, that chair sounds horrible, right? Yeah, so I actually have been working on the website in order to make it more user friendly, to make it more search friendly, and to also have valuable information for you guys. All right, so when you go to our website now, you know, it's a brand new design, new layout and stuff like that. But what's special about this website is that you can actually go to the website, go to the bottom of the page, and you will see a few useful links, right? At the bottom of the page, you will see a link to find government contractors, right? People who have done work with the government, and they are across the island, right? So these are reputable contractors across the island. So whether you're in St. James, St. Mary, Clarendon, wherever you name it, these are a list of government contractors that you can actually utilize to do your project. It has the person's number, the person's address, and what grade contractor they are, right? So here is the thing. It's from grade 1 to 4, grade 1 to 4. 4 being, you know, just what, entry level, I think, and then grade 1 contractor is, you know, high end. They're doing, you know, multi-billion-dollar projects. So I think that they reversed it, if I'm remembering correctly. That's what it means. So if you want a grade 1 contractor, then, you know, if you have some large projects that they're doing. For a grade 4 contractor now, that person is just entering, and, you know, they are now setting themselves within the industry. So I think that's how they grade it, or it's the other way around. I don't know specifically, but the information is there. You can always search for it, right? Also, what is on it is you can actually check your building application status, right? So if you go on the website, go to the bottom of the page to the useful link, you click that link, it will take you to a website that says, that is a government website that has your building application and where it is in the process, right? So you just enter your application number, and then it will show you where in the process your billing application is, and that's for KCC, right? So you can follow along with your billing application, right? Another thing that I added was the Master Builders Association list of members are contractors, right? So if you go there, you will click a link that takes you to a list of master builders contractors, so you can select from those people. Now here's how you do it, right? I'm even gonna tell you how you do it. This is how you do it. So scenario, right? I'm gonna tell story though. So scenario is this: you have come to AJAWI Construction. We have done your drawing. Your drawing is under 4,000 square feet, right? And AJAWI has prepared your drawing and I've gotten it approved, or we have submitted it to the parish council, right? You, while it is in the parish council, you can go on the website and you just click. I've already given you the billing application number, and you can always follow along, or AJAWI will inform you. We're done with the billing application now, and we actually have the approved drawings. You now get your BQ done by a quantity surveyor, right? You get your bill of quantities in hand. The quantity surveyor gave you a blank BQ, and he gave you a BQ that has all the information that it should have, which is money, right? So you know exactly how much your construction will cost. Now you go to Master Builders Association website, or the link that we just sent you, and you select a few contractors on there. Their email is there, their contact number is there, and you just send them an email saying, hey, we have this project, this residential project that we want to be completed. This is the budget, or this is, no, not the budget. You don't tell them the budget. You send them the bill of quantities for them to bid on that project. So your email will probably say, we're inviting you to bid on this project to be completed within X period of time, X yada yada yada. Your QS can scribe that email for you, right? Then you send it to those a few of them email, right? They will reply, or they should reply, right? Once they reply, now you have an idea, or you have a couple of contractors who are reputable contractors with the Master Builders Association, and you can now go ahead and select from that few persons that you have sent that email to, right? Not necessarily lowest, keep that in mind, right? And then you now have your project, right? AJAWI Construction can be the link between you and the contractor, where we do contract administration, right? So we communicate what you want to the contractor through drawings, and we check on your site, we take pictures, we send you images of your site, videos and stuff like that along the process, right? And you have now completed your project successfully, and you can return and enjoy your home, right? See how easy that sounds? So yeah, I wanted to make the website as user friendly as possible. Also, what I put on it is, if you want to find your property, right? So if it is that you have the volume 1 folio for your land, the valuation number, you can actually go on our website, go down to the bottom of the page to the useful links section, and just click find my land, and you just enter your volume 1 folio and click search, and it will find your property. As simple as that, right? So that's what I wanted to ensure that I bring across for you guys. I wanted to make the website useful to you guys, right? I also placed on it my booking information. So book an appointment. You can book an appointment on the website, and there's a section there you will see to select your appointment time, and you will also see to pay for your appointment, right? So you can't say me never give you the information. So go ahead, check out the website. If it is that you're not even doing work with us, I would want you to check out the website and check out the links so that you can get reputable contractors and you can be safe as a returning resident. We're here to serve you at the end of the day. Alright? So I want you to click the like, click the subscribe, click the notification bell, and I just want to say thank you for your support so far. Thanks to those that are a part of the Patreon group. Thanks to those that have actually donated to the channel. I really appreciate you. Alright, so again, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.